Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Simply Coins. Today I am going to present a set of riddles to you guys and you have 10 seconds to answer each question. If you want more time, you can pause our video and try it. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Let's see the questions now. A man got kidnapped by a troop of gangsters and they have trapped into a room without any food and water. There are only two doors in the room. One door leads to the escape path and the other door leads to the lion's den. There are two guards inside the room and they know about the escape path and the other one. One guard always speaks the truth and the other one always lies. Both the guard, they know about each other. The guy who got trapped now, he doesn't know any details that which door leads to escape path and which door leads to the lion's den. He knows that one guard is a liar and the other one is a truth teller and he don't know who is who. The man is allowed to ask only one question to any one of the guard. His motive was to escape from the trapped room. What question would he ask to know about the escape door? There is a timer in our video. If you want more time, you can pause our video and try. Considering the situation, the man has to ask only one question to any one of the guard, but he don't know who speaks lie and who speaks truth. The question he could have asked to one of the guard is, what door will another guard show to me if I ask for the escape door to him? This is the question the man has asked. Let me tell you how it works. Assume that he is going to ask the guard who speaks the truth. Since he always speaks the truth, he knows that other guard will show him a wrong door. And he shows him the door which leads to the lion's den. Now he is going to ask a liar guard. He knows the other one will show him the correct door. Since he is a liar, he will point him the wrong door. Now both the guards will point to the same door which leads to the lion's den. So this guy will choose exactly the opposite door which the guard shows, which is a way to escape from the trapped room. Let's check the next question. There is one hospital. Everywhere corona is spreading now and they'll keep those patients in isolation. This hospital has 16 isolation rooms in one floor. We can see the isolation room numbers in the screen and there is one exit from room number 4 as well. Each room has one patient. The patient in room 13, he has been cured from corona and he wants to say goodbye to each patient and then he wants to leave from the floor. He can visit a room only once. If he entered twice in room, he will become infected again. What is the best possible way for him to meet everyone and how he is going to exit from room number 4? Your timer starts now. The answer is very simple one. The trick here is he can come back to his own room because he has already cured. If he entered his room also, he won't be infected again. First, he is going to room number 9 and then coming back to his room which is 13, from room 13 to 10 and so on. We found the way which you are seeing in the screen. If you found any other route better than this, you can add the room number sequence in the comment section.